Leo, this is your channel messages for the 16th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Leo, we're going straight into your reading. Leo. Ooh. Let's go. Now, this is your getting over your ex reading, Leo. So let's just see how you feel about this. What lessons do you need to learn from this breakup, Leo? We have a star card. So you need to learn the lesson about ego, Leo. You need to learn the lesson about just because your girlfriend or your boyfriend may be a celebrity, an athlete, somebody in the public eye, that is what they do for a living. You're getting you very insecure about someone's status, Leo. So I'm getting you leave somebody because someone was a celebrity. Did you want to be a rapper? You wanted to be an artist? Why you didn't want to be in a life, Leo? I'm getting you wanted to be something that people did worship. I'm getting your girlfriend was it. And I'm getting that's what caused a strain in a relationship. It is jealous over how famous somebody was getting or how somebody was going to be. So you are a man hater. You are Offset to a Cardi B. You are Future to a fucking Sierra. That's what you are. I'm getting your breakup. I'm getting what you learn is that you need to humble yourself. And even if you was the selected popular one of your friend group, now your friends them are your whole attention is turning to the girl who you're with. You're with a celebrity, whether you like it or not. Maybe you're a celebrity, she's a celebrity, okay, she's bigger than you. And if you can't fathom why, it's because she have two breasts. So maybe that's why you're so fucking toxic. Because you try to compete with a woman when you're a man. Repulsive behavior. Anyways, what can you do to find peace right now, Leo? 10 of Pentacles. So I'm getting you need to figure out money. You owe her a lot of money. Or you want her to come back. You want to be a family with her. You never believe in her dreams. Now she blowed up. She made a lot of money. Or I'm getting she's getting put on now. I'm getting now you want to run come back. Because you never want to go through the struggle with somebody. You didn't want to struggle and have to live ramen to ramen or live on government assistance or live on things and watch this woman achieve her dreams. No, she achieved her dreams and everything is working and she's making money. You want to run, come back. Because the problem wasn't the fact that she would have struggled for her dreams. It was the fact that you were jealous. So what can you do to find peace right now? I'm getting you need to give her money. Because you did not, you kept money from her because she kept chasing her dreams. No, she chased her dreams and I make money. Why you gonna use over her head? I'm getting you were jealous. Maybe you wanted to be a woman, I don't know. How can you forgive yourself and your ex though? The Lover's card, yeah. That's how you're going to forgive yourself. You admit you were jealous, admit that you were insecure, you admit that she was focused on herself and you was focused on her. All she did want to make enough money for a family life. That is all she want to do. You think it's about the body, you think it's about the dressing. No, it's about what sells. Even the biggest of the biggest, Kim Kardashian, Zendaya, the world them have to take off them clothes because sex sells. So she was trying to make money for her family, but you was too jealous of the fact that other men is saying, damn, oh, do you need another person for that video? Would you like me to hold the camera for you? You were jealous of that. I know she move on, she don't want you want she come back to you, knowing that you're insecure and jealous. No, she might come back to you if you temper, like in the garden. How the snake did get Eve with the apple, you have to temper, you have to give her money. That's how you're going to do. That's how you can enter back into her energy field. So how you're going to forgive yourself that you were insecure, you were jealous, and you probably made up situations in your head that did not go that way. Just because you can't control sexual urges, it don't mean other people stay that way. When will you be ready for your next relationship? We have a Sun card. I'm guessing you already know when you want a baby right now. Okay, but you want to come back, bum rush this girl, give her money, tell her say you want a baby with her right now. She have a career for focus on. You remember the same career? She just tried to take off and you never believe her, you know? Yeah. She still have that for continue. The career don't stop because you've come to your senses and you want one baby from her right now. That's not how it goes. What the fuck? She have money, or you're like, oh, I see you have money now. You're a celebrity, you have money now. Okay, so all you need to do is just have a baby now. Why you think that's something to distract her time with? Why you think because she have money she want one baby? Why did you think that? Me getting you want the baby. Because you can shop her that way. And maybe you can pull her from the crowd. I kind of getting Megan Thee Stallion to here. And if she's pregnant or something about this pregnancy, she don't want to keep the baby. Somebody don't want to keep a baby here. Or somebody don't want the child. You want it. But I'm getting now, so you never believe in her, leave her, she make it, you come back and you know you want a baby with her. To solidify your imprint in this relationship. Because she have money. Maybe you have money now and you come back to her and say, hey, I can help you with your dreams, blah, blah, blah. But me getting there's resistance from her. Because you left her, you never wanted to struggle with her. So why would she struggle with a 9-month child for you? You never want to struggle with her while she was chasing her dreams. You don't get to reap what you sow at the end of the journey and come back and say, hi, you remember me? I was giving you time to yourself. I didn't want to distract you. That's not how it works. She could have budgeted a relationship and a job. So it's just you, basically. So that's all I have to say though. You want a baby from her, and I know you're gonna get it. How can you prepare for your next relationship? Wait. How can you prepare for your next relationship is the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so money is over here, but also over here as well. Me getting something about savings. Maybe you actually have a saving, or me getting you making a lot of money right now. You actually put away a specific hidden savings account for somebody. Because even though she have money over here, so as it said, but me getting over where the baby is, there's money. Maybe you actually have an account for a child that is unborn as yet, and you tell her, say, oh, this money, yeah, I actually have this money for this kid. And maybe I have money. I don't know if somebody want money, them get put on. Me getting somebody when them get put on and them want your back, basically. I don't know how you feel about it. But I'm getting, I don't know if that's an ultimatum to say, hey, you have to stop following your dreams for come and be with me. It shouldn't be a choice. Why you cannot be a mother and follow your dreams? Why you cannot be in a happy relationship and follow your dreams? It's because your partner is jealous or your partner control you. Perhaps your partner is your handler. We shall never know. We have cursed, yeah. Is the curse of the baby or the curse of the fucking trash ass who keep coming into your life and them want latch on to you like fucking leech? Because they're bum ass niggas who did not do anything for them life. The fuck? We have the sun again. Yeah, me getting something big. That's all them man are doing, you know that? That's all those men do. Them get you pregnant. Them a run a convince a girl them say we a girl and get pregnant. You think any girl want voluntarily get blood clot, stretch mark? You think that's a voluntary option for a girl? For stretch out her pussy? You think that's voluntary? No. That's what the men do for keep women, for slow them down, or for take them off of them paths. Them get them pregnant. But them convince the women that you're the bitches who keep getting us, trying to seduce us, get us pregnant so you can get child support. You're supposed to be taking care of a sperm that you're being hatched. When you're broken them too fucking bad because you're so desperate for attention from a man. When you're so submissive, when you submit to that blood clot sperm, and then he goes on to impregnate another girl and another girl and another girl, and then you are here with a man who have 7 baby mother, and you think that this is going to be the relationship. It's not. You brought them too bad. How you brought them is how they're going to treat you. So if you train them accordingly like a dog, they will act accordingly. But if you're desperate for such attention so much, you won't give up all of your blood clot morals just because you want to be wanted by a man, bitch. You sound religious. Woo! That's what the fuck you sound like. Anyways, no phones allowed. Aliens, I am... May I tell you, that is not how we work here. I know how we work here. I know how it works, really. It takes one to know one, though, alright? So I can't even explain to people who don't understand. I have to take these secrets to the grave and Aries. I'm gonna leave it here. The alien told you. The alien told you. And the man them a do this, and the girl them. And the man them a get on the pregnant. And when them get on the pregnant and then they leave you on our work and I leave the same baby in a daycare. Where are the men? They're impregnating another woman. But they have the women thinking that they're the problem. You want this, you want basketball players, you want a Blue Jays players, you want to get pregnant by that Blue Jays player so fast. Yeah, of course, you have girls like that, yes, we understand those things. But you know they're with these women, don't? Even though they're getting, the women that might get pregnant for these basketballers and the rappers and the whatever, you know they're in a relationship actively with them, right? I'm sorry, if a sperm came out of you, wouldn't you want your son to eat? Wouldn't you want your son to put on good clothes? Or you don't want your son to go through it because you don't like the baby mother? The biggest fucking trick man could have do is convince the women that we being a woman was a problem, when the problem is they were jealous because we were women. Because unfortunately, they had to be born a man. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.